So hello guys, I am Saurodip Biswas here. So today I am going to do an unboxing of a Crompton ceiling fan, that is Crompton high speed 600 ceiling fan, and it's ivory color. So this is the old model of HS24. This fan is commonly known as HS24, high speed 24. 600 means 24. So let's just remove the this cord, because I checked the fan in the shop, and let me show you the image properly. So as you can see the image, the box has very few details, as you know, because this is a means high quality fan, so that's why less details. And the blade box is packed inside this box, because this is a 24 inch. As you can see, the box is very tall, and these are the all around the box, as you can see. So as you can see, everything is good. So now, as you are watching, this is manufactured in January 2020, and the MRP is 2265, but I got this fan for 1700 rupees. So, and this fan is made in Kundaim, Goa. So this is the second Crompton factory after Vethora. So let's unbox the fan and see what's inside. So as you can see, this is the fan. So this time I think Crompton has provided a cheap quality shackle as of the Rivera or some similar fans, and this is an M6 bolt, and I can see they are also written M6, and the hole is also small. Let me show you. The hole is also small. It's capable of M6, and this is obviously a 9-inch down rod, which is obviously supplied with these 24-inch fans, and these are the canopies. So I feel that these are the Crompton's little bit Rivera type canopy. One thing to show you is that I have this down rod. So let's just unpack it and show it to you. So as you are watching, this is a longer down rod, and this is an STD shackle. So STD shackle is not provided in this fan. So let me show you what STD do I have. So STD is the brand of the shackle, and it's not standard. It's just a brand. STD have a full form. So as you are watching here, I got the shackle from Crompton Service Center, and the long down rod also. The shackle cost me around 70 rupees, and the down rod cost me 90 rupees. So as you can see, this is the M8 bolt, same as that of the JKR, and the shackle is exactly that of Electro Plus YouTube channel, that he also unboxed a JKR. So in his channel he received this particular shackle kit, but this bolt is M8. This bolt will not be inserted in this hole. So and his fan was also, I think, 2019 model, and this is 2020 model. And the difference between the two down rods is that the quality is almost same. There is no such a difference. Obviously the bigger one is slightly heavier, but the thing is that, as you can see, let me show you the length of the down rods. So this is an 8-inch down rod, and original HS24 one, and the long is 11-inch down rods. Generally these long down rods come with the JKR or the high speed models. Previously high speed also have this smaller down rod, but again it's restored to the bigger ones, and the 9-inch is specially made for this HS24 model only. So the motor is pretty heavy. So as you can see, the motor is pretty clean. So let me turn off the flash. So as you can see now, there is no such marks. Here is some golden spot. Oh, I see, the ring making machine just when some paint drop has been here, and some paint drop also here. but that's not an issue because the fan will rotate very fast. So I shouldn't remove these spots because I don't want to ruin the original paint or whatever might be. And let's see what's the capacitor. So this is a Crompton 2.0 microfarad capacitor, and it's Tipcon brand, specially made for Crompton, and the date on the capacitor is 27/12/2019. And this is the connector box. The motor wires are blue, black and red. The red is the main winding, black is the common, and the blue is the auxiliary winding. So everything is now good. Now somebody you may say that why not to put the longer down rod. I will say if you just put the longer down rod, it's your requirement as it is, but the longer down rod with the this 24-inch, as you can see, it's longer than that of the blades also. So I feel somewhat the fan will look little bit ugly, means not ugly, it will means the down rod will look longer compared to the blades. Just to maintain the decorum, they provided a shorter down rod. And as you know, this is a very high speed fan. Even without a down rod also, in direct installation with the shackle also, it will pull an enormous amount of air. So no issues regarding that. And this is a 900 rpm motor. So this fan have two more colors, white and brown, like the HS only, because this is a smaller version of HS. And one thing to say is that the newer version of this HS24 is having an exactly similar motor to that of the HS48 or HS56 or whatever might be, similar motor. So this motor somewhat looks like daycare motor. So whatever might be. So this is the old model, and yes, the newer model is also not bad. It's having the same windings and same rotor ring also, means the stator and the rotor is exactly the same as that of the new model and this old model. Only the thing is that the old model have the rotor ring embedded in the lower body, like the JKR and or the GC fans, and newer model it's exactly looks like HS. I will attach a pic in the video. So that fan have the ring attached in the upper cover, like the Crompton HS 48, 36, 42, 56. So that's why the newer models, the upper this bulge is huge compared to the lower body, and in this case, due to the motor's majority part is in the bottom side, that's why this bottom part is more. So no issues regarding that. If you want to purchase now, you will only get the newer model only. So no issues regarding that. Just buy it, just close your eyes and run the fan, because the newer model or the old model, same mechanical parts, same electrical parts, so no issues regarding that. So only the looks change, nothing else. So, and Crompton is only the brand who gives 900 rpm motors for 24-inch fans, and especially for the high speed. There are also other Crompton models like the Jura 24, the Cool Breeze 24, but neither of the fans have 900 rpm. Only the HS have the 900 rpm. So I will support the HS, whatever might be, because it have the most speed. Let me show you the blade angles. Somebody will just want to say me about the blade angles. So this is the blade angle like the G logo one. As you can see, it's like a G logo blade angle. Nothing much. So whatever might be. And one last thing is that when we compare these shackles, this shackle is cheap built, but it can handle easily the load of this fan, because in 2018 or 2019, I think 2019, the Crompton high speed ceiling fans have this shackle, this bolt and this smaller down rod, but now it's long, but the motor bolt is still M6, but the shackle is, I think, this STD one. No issues regarding that. So enough talk, let's install the fan. So now we will require the tools. So obviously a plier, wire, tester, a double-sided screwdriver, a stripper for stripping and cutting the wires, and some spanners, 10-11 mil spanners. Since this kind of shackle and motor bolt don't require 12 mil like the STD one. STD one's motor bolt is I think 12-13 mil. And watching this download is also made for this kind of bolts. So I think in this cycle Crompton is missing the plain washer, but no issues regarding that. So let's install it. So if you want to check wire, then I will suggest you, for safety reason, always use the wire that is twice that of the downward length. So I took here slightly more than twice the downward length. So this is a twisted pair cable, as you can see. So for safety reason, because in future if you want to shift the fan in another room where the electrical outlet is slightly in a distance, then it will not be an issue of joining the wires or whatever might be. And don't forget to tight this particular safety bolt. Also one thing, never remove this small PVC seal from the shaft. As you can see, this PVC seal will protect the motor from any foreign matters that is falling through the down rod from the ceiling to the motor. Whatever might be, let's pass the wires and so everything for the fan is good, but except the shackle. As you can see, the shackle is in a bad shape, but whatever might be, it will hang on the ceiling comfortably without any issues. And here is also the earthing screw. So always use the original equipments. And if you have an STD like this in your home, the latest model STD like my Avancer or the high-speed Decora, then you may, if you have a spare one like that, then you may go for that also, because this shackle I feel it's of Riviera or the Cool Breeze category shackle. And the fan looks pretty good. This fan is a nostalgic fan because this fan's motor looks like GC Whisper, Goldline, or the Crompton JK, or the High Breeze, or even the high efficiency of Crompton also. Means in the before 90s I'm talking about, whatever. So let's install the fan. So let's install the blades. So one thing you notice is that here is a screw dent. So this is the motor screw, and this part having a screw dent which is not drilled. All this part here is having another motor screw like this. So this part is completely in this side, and this blade is here in the offset. So here is one screw, and there are 3 motor bolts actually. So let me just rotate, and now it's a 2-bladed fan. So here is also another indentation, as you can see. So actually this motor was also made for the high speed 30-inch, which is a limited edition for G logo. I mean the Crompton Grips Limited during the 2011 to 2016, I hope so. I saw that model in a shop. There were 2 fans, and those were 3-bladed, but the blade design was exactly same, but the blade sizes were I think around 30-inch, and the motor was same also. So previously, before that, during the box logo era, that is 2000 to 2010, there was a model called Crompton Pluto that's having a slightly different motor, but only a redesigned version of this HS24 that's having a 30-inch blade. That was called as Pluto. That's also have this similar motor. This is a 6-pole motor actually. So whatever might be, let's fix the remaining blades. You can also use this fan with 2 blades also. The air will be like half. So now the HS24 is installed. So let's start the fan. The airflow is also pretty decent, as you can see. The speed is 900 rpm, and I can see it by the strokes, no issues regarding that. So this is probably the last HS24 that is made by Crompton using a motor style that is of Daycare or the GC or the Hybris. So, and this is my the space where the staircase meets. So for this space, I think the HS24 is the best option. Luckily I got this fan because it's a vintage and nostalgia rather than performance. Obviously the performance is also powerful like nostalgia. So as you are watching, so I should rotate the canopy this side, no issues regarding that. So let's stop the fan. So this is my HS24 G logo 2014 model, brown color, and this is in a mint condition. I actually bought it from OLX, and I now have 2 HS24s, ivory and brown. So whatever might be, thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, then press the like button. If you have any comments, then please comment it down, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos like this. So thank you guys.